They say your early life romance game.
At that. I am going to have to get some HKS 45 spark plugs, but I can deal with a 30 horsepower gain at redline. And now this is right at redline. I'll come down. Hold on a sec, let me recorrect this. So let's move it over. When I move it over to engine speed, we're going to have a little bit of a breakup. Right here, that breakup, that's because the spark plugs are fouling out. But here is what I want to show. 6400. That's right when the car shifts. Well, the dyno is off by about 200 RPM in relationship to what you see in the dash. So, but that is right where the car is shifting, and I'm going to change it to, come down here, I'm going to change it to speed. I didn't move the cursor. It moved the cursor for me, but right at red line at the shift point, we have picked up 38 horsepower. 38 horsepower at redline. That is huge. Now look down here. We also picked up 3 pounds of boost. I got boost figured out. Boost figured out is fantastic. I'm so happy to have that figured out. But here is the big winner for the night. I'm going to move this over to SAE. Sorry guys. So now we're on SAE, but here is the big winner for the night, which I'm really excited about. We now have, let me move this over just a tiny bit so it's not completely off the screen, but we now officially have 120 horsepower picked up at redline. Yep, 120 horsepower picked up at redline. Overstock, I am so happy with that. Again, 18 psi, 19 psi. Boost curve is pretty flat all the way across. We are targeting 18. It's going to fluctuate a tiny bit between 18 and 19 psi. There we go, 120 horsepower picked up at redline, 18 psi tune. So, what do we got? What do we got for torque? 370, 450. We're coming up on 90 foot-pounds of torque. I do not have torque coming on really aggressive. It already suffers from enough wheel spin. I don't see any reason to, make it do more wheel spin or make it induce more wheel spin. So right now we're pretty happy with what we got. So boost fall off at redline we've got dealt with. I'm really happy with that.